An inventory system is not far behind in providing a way to store inventory data in a secure and systematic way. After discussing with our clients, the major problem in their own inventory system is workers often need to calculate their stocks manually, and it is very time consuming. Thus, we finally come up with this idea of creating a stock tracking application to help the small business owner to count their stock and store the data effectively. There are three objectives of this project, which is the first one is to allow the user to register their stocks with QR codes. The next one is to design a system which the users can track their stock with QR codes. And the last one is to create a system that users can update their stock through an app directly. 5 scopes of this project. The first one, it is suitable for business owners to monitor their small scale of stocks. The second one is it is limited to only one language, which is English. The third is that this application is only focused on tracking and creating stocks. Fourth is the data will be stored in Firebase as database. Fifth is that the app can be used only one user at a time.
Chuboi, and I'm here now to share the basic concept of the BESA application design and the functionality. First, I'm talking about activity diagram, and next I will talking about the navigation map. For activity diagram, they have 2 parts, which for customer and vendor. For customer part, here have the flow chart, so the customer need to select the store and view the product if they want to buy. So select the product, add to shopping cart, confirm the order information and place the order. Later will payment in store. Next will be vendor activity flow. So for vendor, they will receive the order from customer and then prepare and pack the product. Later will update the process for inform the customer that they can come to take the product. So when customer arrive, the customer need to show the QR code and vendor need to scan using phone camera. If the QR code is valid, so vendor need to check the order and update the payment status. Next will be navigation map. They have 2 parts also for customer and vendor. So first, they are install the apps and log in if exit, register for new user. And next, after they log in, so they can go to the home page and select the store product and the product for buying. So select the variety, add to cart and check out the product. So for check out the product, you need to fill in the name and then where are you from. And until now, our app is just for pickup process. So for pickup process, they will need to pay in store. After select all and fill in finish, they will need to place order and it will came out a listing like this. So showing what are you buying and a QR code for seller to scan. Talking about the vendor. So for vendor, first you need to register as a vendor and then you can go to the vendor for adding the product. So for adding new product, they will came out this screen and you need to upload the photo, the name, the product name and the price, and then create product. So it will display on the shop. So for customer order, vendor need to go to dashboard order list, so it will came out the order list so that the vendor can prepare the product and then update the status for inform customer to pick up. And when complete, the customer will came for showing the QR code and vendor need to scan the QR code, pick up the product. After the customer is paid, so the vendor need to complete order.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahim Nazmi and I will demonstrate on how to use the BESA app as a seller and customer. First of all, we will go to the BESA website and then we will click account to register as a seller. We put our email, password and our name as well as our store name. After we done all of that, we will click register. Then we click vendor dashboard, click product and click add new product. Click upload image and upload the image of the product that we want to sell. After we done that, we click add to gallery and here we will fill the details of the product that we want to sell. You have a category, which is fruit. We'll also put tags, and then put the name of the product and the price, as well as the discount price if you want to. After we've done that, we click create and add new, and then we will add the other products that we want to sell at our store. After we've done that, we click Vesa, click our store, and as you can see, the product is ready to be sold. Now I will demonstrate on how to register as a customer using phone. First of all, we will open the Vesa app, we click my account, and then we register as a customer. Put our email and password, click register, and then we log in using the account we just registered. Then we click home, click the store that we want to buy, which is fresh and fruit. Click add to cart to the product that we want to buy, for example banana, mango and orange. After we've done that, we click cart, put the amount of number of each product that we want to buy. After we've done that, we click proceed to checkout. Then we will fill our billing details, as well as whether we want it to be picked up or delivered. After we've done that, we place order. Here we have the total payment, QR code, as well as billing details. After that, we click my account, click orders, click view, and here we can see our order details.
Okay, so now I will demonstrate on how the scanning process works. First of all, we have the customer's orders QR code, and then we have the seller's account. When the seller is done preparing the customer's order, it will open the code scanner and scan the customer's QR code. This will notify the customer that the order is ready to be picked up or delivered.
My name is Ivya and I'm gonna present on product data transfer and data security. So the database of the applications will be stored in this domain, which is the Pasar Malam Sungai Petani. The domain will give us an account to access to the database server. The database server that we are using is MySQL server. By using the account given by the SQL, we log into the server and we will get the stored database. As for the data security, the applications is accessed using a website. The connections of the website is secure, which by mean the user information is private when it is sent to the site. To ensure the securities is more secure, the user password is encrypted using message direct algorithm 5. This MD5 is a cryptographic hash algorithm that can be used to create a 128-bit string value from an arbitrary length string.
Personally, saya dan Kak T sangat berpuas hati dengan hasil kerja yang dibuat oleh kumpulan ni. Sangat kreatif. Kita tertariklah dengan hasil kerja yang mereka lakukan, and then saya percaya orang-orang di luar sana juga akan tertarik dengan apa yang dipersembahkan melalui hasil kerja mereka. Kita harap ada lagi idea-idea baru yang sebegini yang dapat support kita.